How to enable the affiliate feature on Skool. So Skool just released the affiliate feature, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to enable the feature for your own community. If you don't know me, my name is Victor Moen, I'm 21 years old from Norway, and I spent the entire last year learning how to make affiliates promote my stuff, and specifically my Skool community, from some of the brightest experts in the entire industry. I spent thousands of dollars that I didn't have at the time and countless hours learning this stuff so that you don't have to. Now, let's get this rolling. First off, what is affiliates and why is there so much hype around it? This is why affiliates are awesome and so many community owners are so hyped around it. So first, there is no upfront cost. You know, affiliates are people that promote your community and you don't pay them anything up front, you just pay them when they actually generate sales. Okay, what's the second benefits? You get to tap into new audiences. So you get to tap into new audiences, you get access to other people's audiences that you wouldn't have access to otherwise. There's no upfront cost, you tap into new audiences. The third benefit, you see, it increases trust. So it increases trust, right? You have no upfront costs. Besides labor, you tap into new audiences you otherwise wouldn't have access to, and it increases trust. Think about it. If you see a brand promote themselves saying, hey, we're the best in the world, join my community, give me your money. They're basically bragging about themselves, right? When it comes from someone else, you trust them more, right? You already trust that person. So you have no upfront cost, you tap into new audiences, it increases trust, and it's a good selling point, right? Good selling point especially for communities, because your members and other affiliates can earn money, so your community becomes an income source instead of an expense. That is why affiliates are awesome and why there's so much hype around it. There's no upfront cost, you get to tap into new audiences you otherwise wouldn't have, it increases trust, and it's a very good selling point for people to join your community. Sounds good? Let's set it up. So this is exactly how to turn on the affiliate feature for your own community. So now this is my community, Affiliate Mastery, where we help Skool community owners with affiliates. So press settings on the sidebar in the community, and you will see on the sidebar here, you will see affiliates. And here, this is where you turn on the affiliate feature. So when you get started, you will see that it is set to off. You can choose your commission right here. Do you want to pay 10%, 20, 30, or 40, or 50%, just know that this is recurring commissions. This is what you pay your affiliates every single month for as long as the member they refer stay. I have paid 40%. Now, picking commissions or deciding your commissions is beyond the scope of this video. Just know that 50% is very, very generous. I would pick 30 or 40%. Just make it clear, but it depends on your community, right? That is beyond the scope of this video. I can help you out with that later in another video. This is how you turn on the affiliate feature. It's very, very simple. You just press 40% and then it's turned on. If you want to change it, you just press on the other one, and just know that when you change it, the new commission rate will apply to all affiliates. Yeah, I would just pick something and have some room to increase so that you can increase it at certain events. I just want to show you how your community members can find their actual affiliate links, because you want to tell them, like, you can't just do this and think that people will promote you. I remember I was talking to this expert called Dustin House. We were having this call, and he told me that the biggest fallacy in affiliate marketing, biggest misconception about affiliate marketing and recruiting affiliates is that if you just have this turned on, people will automatically start promoting you. Your members will start promoting you. And that couldn't be further from the truth, he said to me. So you want to announce it to your members. Hey guys, you can now become an affiliate for this community and share it. You will get paid, 30, 40, 50% for every single month for the member you refer. They would know, right? And when they know, this is how they will get their link. So I will go to the Skoolers community, and you can see this button right here. That is how they get their affiliate link. So when you press this button, you will get this link, and that is how your members get their affiliate link. And they can copy it and they can share it to other people. This is how it will look for another person. Join group, and you were referred by this member. So there are a few things to know about the feature that you wouldn't find anywhere else. This is something that Sam Ovens announced when he announced the feature, so I just thought of sharing it with you guys right now. Let's see, only members can earn commission. I'll say it again, only your community members can earn commissions as an affiliate. If you want to invite someone to become an affiliate that they're a big influencer on Instagram, they have hundreds of thousands of followers or tens of thousands of followers, and you want to make them an affiliate, you can just simply invite them or invite outsiders via email, and they will bypass the payment gate. So they won't have to pay to become a member of your community to become an affiliate. The second thing to know about the feature, so what happens if an affiliate, they refer someone that picks a monthly plan and later on they upgrade to annual? If someone joins, or you have an affiliate that refers someone that picks monthly and then later on upgrades to annual, the affiliates still get the commission for the annual upgrade, which is great. So you don't have to worry about that at all. Another thing is that it helps with retention. And what do I mean by this? If people have referred someone to your community and they're making commissions every single month and they decide they want to leave your community for some reason, I don't know why they would, but if they decided they wanted to do that, when they try to leave the community, you'll have this little this bullet point that says, if you leave, you will lose all of your commissions. So you cannot get more commissions after you're outside of the community. Imagine you are a member of your own community and you have referred 3 people. You're making commissions every single month and you're like, you know what? I don't want to be part of this community anymore. And you want to leave. There you see, you will lose your monthly commissions. Now that will probably make you stay. Right? So it helps with retention. Now just got one more thing here. That is, you have a cookie duration of 14 days. Now, what is a cookie duration? So the cookie duration is when the affiliate or your members, they send a link to someone, they press the link, but they don't join your community right away. Skool will track that. And if that person joins within 14 days, they don't have to press the link in those 14 days. They can just search up your community. The affiliate that sent them the link to begin with will still get the commission. Isn't that amazing? So Skool tracks everything for 14 days. This means that your affiliates, they can send a link to someone and that person checks out the about page, but they decides they don't want to join. Then your affiliates can be like, hey, why didn't you join? Was there something that felt off or and whatever it may be? And the affiliate can overcome their uncertainty because there might have been some uncertainty that made them not join. And then that person could just join your community again without pressing the affiliate's link. So that is something to know. You have a 14-day cookie duration. So only members can get commissions. If someone upgrades to annual, the original affiliate will still get the commission. This stuff helps with retention since your members will lose their affiliate commissions if they leave your community, and you have a 14-day cookie duration. It's beautiful. Now, when you turn on the affiliate feature, congratulations, you have your first affiliate program in Skool, you're set up. Now, just let your members know. They won't find out magically. You want to tell them, hey guys, you can now earn 40% or 30% every single month when you refer someone to the community. You know, now that you have the feature enabled, I hope you got some value from this video. You have the setting in place, but now you need the right strategy. I have partnered with affiliate expert Dustin House, who's made over $400 million for his clients in affiliate sales. We've partnered up to create a community that I showed you earlier called Affiliate Mastery. And inside, we're building everything you need to scale your community with affiliates, right? So if you join my community, inside, we're building a course out right now that will show you step by step exactly how to set up the right strategy so that you can grow your community with affiliates. And we're going to host live calls, and it's just a very close community with people. It's a good vibe. If you want to check it out, I have a 7-day free trial, so you can just press the link in the description and you can join the community, check it out. If you don't like it, you can jump out. And if you want to stay, I'm very happy to have you inside. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Now go crush it with affiliates. See you next time.